Welcome to Ezlogz. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how Ezlogz can increase your fleet performance and save money. Connect to the fleet. Go to the Settings menu, where you will select the option Carrier Connect. At the top, enter US. In the empty field. After entering, click on the Connect to Fleet button. And Ezlogz will pull up the name of your company, the address of the main office, a state, a city, and a zip code. Confirm by clicking on the arrow at the top right. Ready. The request is sent to the company. Connect to scanner. In the upper right corner, find the round ELD button, and click on it. In the context menu, click the Connect button. Click on the name of the appropriate scanner. After a few seconds, your ELD is connected to the scanner. After validating, the VIN app reports that your unit is connected. Adverse driving. There are two ways to enable the adverse driving mode, while driving and while parked. Let's look at both of them. If you are in the driving mode, then on the main screen, press the Settings button, select Add Exception in the pop-up window. Next, select Adverse Driving and specify the reason in the drop-down list. If the reasons from the list do not match your situation, select Other and briefly describe the case in the input field. Push the OK button. A note about the adverse drive mode will appear on the main screen. If you are in the sleeper berth, on duty or off-duty modes, on the main screen of the logbook, click on the DR with exception button. In the pop-up window, select Adverse Driving and specify the reason for activating the mode in the drop-down list. Confirm the operation by clicking on the OK button. The DR with exception button will turn red, which confirms the activation of the adverse driving mode. Accept unidentified driving. Click on the ELD button at the top right. Enter the item Unidentified Driving. Select the date you need, and click on it. Click on the Assign command, and choose your mode: work, personal, yard, or mechanical. Enter the Logbook menu, where you can check if your changes have been made. Send output file. If you are in the driving mode, the application will ask you to stop and change the status to another. Open the menu. Go to the item inspection mode. Check the information before sending it, and click the Send Output Files button. Select the file sending service, web service, or email. In the Official Comment box, enter your comment and then click the Send button. You will see a message that the file has been received. Click the OK button. Ready. The output file was sent successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support available 24/7.